Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, today's Saturday, January the 15th. It's a little cloudy. It was supposed to be a lot colder than it is. I guess the clouds held some of the heat in from yesterday. That massive snowstorm I talked about in the last video is supposed to be coming in, so we've got to do some emergency barn repair here. I detailed all that in the goal video for 2022, basically how I was going to have to just concentrate on getting all this building stuff situated and all these repairs done. The corner of the barn here, I'll show you in a minute. On the top, there's a piece of tin been gone for a long time. It's rotted the main beam out and the corner support out, so we're going to try to rebuild that with some treated lumber back today, get another piece of tin on it, because as the water falls down, all this snow and stuff, it's right there at the corner of my office, and I don't want to take a chance on anything blowing in and getting on that fresh lumber in the office there. I haven't got the inside walls up on this corner, so my buddy's here with me today. Probably won't get a whole lot of footage. This will probably be a little shorter video, but just thought I'd bring you along for it because, like I said in the goal video, these are the things that I just have to stop sometimes and take care of. Okay, I don't know how well you can see it being cloudy today, but basically, fingering the screen, the main beam there that used to come out from the house structure all the way out to the edge of the roof is rotten and completely gone, so we're going to have to cut that off level with the house structure. I'm just going to put a treated tube of tin up there, lag bolt it to the original house structure, and then come out here on the corner, and basically we just put that brace up many years ago just to kind of hold this in. I'm going to put another brace attached to the tube of tin down, and then I don't know if you can see it, like I said, fold a couple of those pieces of tin back and cut it back to the next rafter, if you will, and attach some 1-bys there to put the tin on, and then come out this way with a couple of treated 2x4s and just put those, I guess it would be 2 full pieces of tin there that are gone and missing. So that'll take care of that corner, because right underneath that, basically right where that rotted beam is the loft floor, which most of this here has the wood batter boards over the joints on the home structure, so it's not too bad. But I was noticing the other week when I was up here during the snowstorm that it was dripping right off the top of the barn right there on that piece of tin, and with the blowing it could blow in there, and if nothing else, just saturate the loft floor and possibly drip down. So we're gonna get started, see what we can do. Okay, well, we were able to get that up there, tube of tin attached to the house beam, and then we've got a 2x8 brace, sorry the ladder's in the way, up underneath it, and I just scabbed a few pieces there to help hold it. Got a couple long screws in it. We've got to run the long 2x4 down from the top, will basically be a rafter, if you will, and then we're probably gonna have to notch this end off just a little bit and lay the 2x4s in there. Once we get the structure built, then we can get up on there and fold that tin back, or my buddy can rather, and put the 1-bys under and get the pieces of tin on, and I believe this corner will be done. So I'll bring you back soon. Okay, I think you guys are used to it by now, but I'm just gonna say it again. I'm not a professional, I have no idea what I'm doing. We're just cobbling some stuff together. So we got the 2x4s up there. I had to notch the end of the tube of tin. They're sitting on those, got everything screwed together. So now we got to get up there and take the rest of the tin off and finish up getting the 1-bys off and get that one 10-foot rafter back up there and attach back down here to the header, and then we can roll on with it. So not too bad. Okay, well, we're fighting the cold, but we're able to get the bracing up there and the other 1-bys. Again, like I said, this is just kind of thrown together, but sure gonna be a lot better than it was. So everything's braced up and ready and screwed down, so getting ready to cut the 2 pieces of tin. Get my buddy to put those up there, and we'll wrap this project up. Well, when all else fails, get the service truck. Worried about the angle on the ladder, so we just decided to stick the ladder in the service truck door. Whatever works. Well, like I said before, don't anybody laugh, but it's up there. Nothing professional by any means, but got the corner of the barn shored back up and got some tin on it, and got another rafter put up, so that'll keep water from running right down there. I don't know if you can tell it on the camera, but right there in that corner where the beams are more light colored, and then the further you go to the left of the screen, you see them dark. That's where the water's been running down with that piece of tin being gone. It's been like that for probably 10 or 15 years, so another project that I just continue to put off and we're just having to grab the bull by the horns now and take care of him before it gets any worse. We get situated here and we'll wrap this one up. Okay everybody, we're going to wrap this one up and call it a video. Another one of the quote-unquote emergency repairs here on the barn we got completed. Like I've said before, there's nothing professional about it, and I really don't know what I'm doing, but I do know that what we got put up today is a whole lot better than what was there, and that's the main thing here. So this kind of falls in line, like I said in the beginning of the video, with what I've got to do. So with all this snowstorm and everything coming in, I didn't want that, you know, water to get down close to the office there with all the sheeting I've already got on the floor and whatnot. So did what we could do. This is probably a little bit shorter video than normal, but maybe won't bore you guys too much. So really appreciate everybody. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. Share the videos, get them out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this. You know, in life sometimes we just got to put the brake pedal on and address what needs to be addressed when it is. Got to put the want bucket to the side and bring out the need bucket. That's what we did today. The barn here on the front corner is repaired. Until next time, thank you.